Hey guys, the subject of today's film is the Top 5 Best Wi-Fi Router of 2024, which has been thoroughly investigated and tested. I've compiled a list of choices to accommodate various buyer types. Therefore, we can provide you with more information about the items, regardless of your needs regarding price, performance, or specific application. Links are listed in the description box, which are updated with the cheapest pricing below. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a video comment. Let's begin now. Number 5. Netgear Orbi AC 1200. Netgear's Orbi range is a popular choice for many people who need a mesh networking system that can provide wider and more reliable Wi-Fi coverage than you can get from a single router on its own. They are some of the best mesh routers in the world right now. However, the Orbi products are all pretty expensive and generally aimed at very large homes. So Netgear has finally released a more affordable model called the Orbi AC 1200, RBK13. For those of us that don't live in Downton Abbey country mansions, the model we test here, model RBK13, consists of a primary router and 2 satellite routers. This 3-piece kit is suitable for homes up to 250 SQ, number, for ASUS RTAX86U. The ASUS RTAX86U can help kill off invading aliens or quickly download the latest updates by combining good throughput, gaming tools, and port aggregation. One of the most customizable routers on the market. The RTAX86U is just as good as one of the best Wi-Fi routers as it is one of the best gaming routers to help gamers dominate the world or universe. While it has a generous 2-year warranty, the RTAX86U lacks some gaming tools, like a ping heat map and geofencing, that the competition has. Number 3. TP-Link Archer A8. If you're looking to save money, or if you have modest needs, the TP-Link Archer A8 can provide a solid network for a small home or a multi-room apartment. At longer distances, it's measurably slower than our more expensive picks, so it's not well suited for multi-story houses, and the connection may stutter if the router isn't centrally located in an apartment or home with more than 2 bedrooms. But over shorter distances in our tests, the Archer A8 outperformed some routers that cost over $150. The Archer A8 also has modern features such as WPA3 and compatibility with TP-Link's OneMesh extenders, eclipsing our previous budget pick, the Archer A7, in that regard. Number 2. Synology WRX560. The Synology WRX560 was one of the highest performing Wi-Fi 6 routers in our latest round of testing. Though it is more expensive than the TP-Link Archer AX55, it's much closer in price to our top pick than previous upgrade picks were. This model is great if you want to spend an hour or two over the weekend tweaking your router settings to create separate networks for smart devices, for example, or to control your kids' internet access, because it provides more options for customization than our other picks. Chart-topping performance, an IT-grade control panel for network settings, subdued styling, and future-proof features such as dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet (GBE) ports add to this router's appeal. Number 1. TP-Link Archer AX55. The TP-Link Archer AX55 is one of the best all-around performing Wi-Fi routers we tested, with just a few areas for improvement. While it may not outperform the absolute best models across every metric, it provides more than adequate performance for most people at a reasonable price. Specifically, this model consistently provides the top 2.4 GHz speeds, offers TP-Link's exceptional and robust parental controls, and a super simple PC interface. This will help you keep your router operating the way you want, with good access to additional settings. Our review of the best Wi-Fi routers will show you how this stacks up next to the competition. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 best Wi-Fi routers of 2024. Whether you're a speed demon, need coverage like a king, crave a smarter streaming experience, prioritize digital security, or are on a budget, there's a router on this list for everyone. If you found this video helpful or, dare I say, entertaining, give it a thumbs up. And, of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop for all things tech. Until next time, stay connected, stay creative, and I'll catch you on the flip side.